Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can enable cookies in Edge web browser. The Microsoft Edge web browser comes pre-installed with Windows, so go to start, type Edge and click open to open Microsoft Edge. Here it is. Now click on the three dots, go below, click on settings. We have reached the settings. Here and under settings you can see cookies and site permissions is visible. Click on it. Now directly click on manage and delete cookies and site data. After that you can see we have allowed it. If this is disabled here, you just need to allow cookies. That's it, nothing else. Okay. After that you can close the web browser. Now it will enable cookies on your Edge web browser. So guys, in this video we saw how we can enable cookies on Microsoft Edge web browser. Thank you for watching the video.